What's up, tubers? Friday afternoon, long weekend. I'm out for an afternoon cruise, drinking water. And you're asking, hey dude, how did you carry that on the bike? I know you're asking that. Let me show you. As you know, there's no way to get a bottle of water inside here. This is another China bullshit thing. Putting some stays on there to make it look like you can put a bottle holder there. But this angle and that angle make it impossible. Just like China made it look like you got 10 bars or an adjustable rebound setting or adjustments to the shocks. This is bullshit. So here's what I did. Back here, gotta go in the other way. Bungee cord, make it tight, get that on there, get you a beaner. Pull that around, pull the beaner through. Now it's locked. This thing's not going off. How do I know that? Because the other day I didn't have the beaner on there and I lost my water bottle. But now, worst that can happen is, if it was to come loose, it's just going to dangle from there. All right, man. Not so much a how to do it, but I'm kind of curious how you're doing it. Has anybody come up with a better way? All right, man. See ya.